Alright guys, welcome to the next and hopefully fun unboxing. This came as you see it right here without packaging, so there isn't a lot to do, you just sort of do that. It's becoming more common for things to be just left at your door like that, which is okay. I don't mind, so long as everything's still in the package and again, you're greeted with a nice instruction manual that I probably should read, but that I usually don't. So there, just throw it to the side. Ooh, it has some fancy pantsy glue stickies there, and the glue gun looks pretty cool. I've actually never used a glue gun before, unless somebody else set it up for me. So it'll be interesting to see if I can even get this running as it should. It has this little cool thing here, which I think is fantastic.
Likey